In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a secondary y-axis in Google Sheets, a handy skill for creating more comprehensible and insightful charts. This feature is particularly useful when you have two different data sets that you want to compare on the same chart but have widely varying values. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open a Google Sheet that's already populated with data or create a new one and fill it in. Once your data is ready, the initial step is to highlight the table containing the data you want compared. This process ensures that Google Sheets knows exactly which data sets you're working with when you proceed to create your chart. Next, head over to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on Insert and from the drop-down menu select Chart. Doing so will automatically generate a chart based on the data you highlighted. By default, Google Sheets will attempt to choose the best type of chart for your dataset, but to tailor your chart further, you'll need to make some adjustments. Once the chart appears, you might notice that it defaults to a column chart. To proceed with adding a secondary y-axis, you'll want to change this chart into a combo chart. So click on the chart and then click on Chart Type in the Chart Editor pane that appears on the right of your screen. From the list available under Column Charts, select Combo Chart. This chart type will allow you to display lines and bars together, providing the dual axis capability we need. Now, with the combo chart selected, let's customize it. Click on the Customize tab in the Chart Editor pane. From there, scroll down and click on Series. This section will let you decide how different data sets are shown within your combo chart. Next, within the series options, look for Apply to All Series as a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down to specify which data series you wish to apply changes to. Specifically, choose the series that represents data you want to compare using a secondary y-axis, such as the item sold figure in a sales report. To create the secondary axis, still within the series settings, find Axis and select Right Axis from its drop-down menu. This step will reposition your selected series to use the right y-axis of your chart, distinctly separating it from the primary data on the left axis. Once you've completed these adjustments, you should see your chart updating in real time, with the secondary y-axis now visible on the right side of your chart, providing a clear comparison between your disparate data sets. This method allows you to present a more detailed and informed narrative via your data, enabling better insights and decisions. And there you have it, a neatly customized chart with a secondary y-axis in Google Sheets. This setup can be particularly beneficial for demonstrating trends or comparisons between different units or magnitudes, making your data presentations much more impactful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.